Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I wanted to take a real quick look here at the brand new 2025 Stryker 2614 toy hauler travel trailer by Cruiser RV. I've done the 2013 version of this in the past, and for 2025 they updated it a little bit and changed the model number to 2614. So let's step up in here real quick, check this thing out here. So this is a one slide out toy hauler travel trailer, again by Cruiser RV. Let's step on back here to the back. This has the rear patio system. Now you can get an aftermarket set of steps and put down here and actually swing the gate open if you want to. This had the 3-season door feature added to it. Very nice. So you basically have a tinted glass and also screens in that. Those doors will swing open and they also slide open. This customer ordered his with the rear camera system by Furrion and also 2 side cameras. You can obviously see it does have some docking lights up there. This part here is kind of a dovetail or beaver tail, it's referred to, sloped down with a little bit of rubber diamond plate, making it easier for the toys to get in and out. The dinette area down here will actually make a bed. You can flip it up against the wall if you prefer, or raise the whole system up. You got an upper bunk here. There is couple electric outlets and roof vent up there. You can also see some AC ducts there. And the table for the dinette is under here. It's a nice metal folding table. Now your slide out on this is basically where the refrigerator and the stove and some of that cabinetry and stuff is. So kind of all that darker trimmed out stuff right there. 12-volt powered slide, but a very nice refrigerator. It's 12-volt powered. You have the Envision oven there with the glass front. Has the flip up and down glass lid, 3-burner gas cooktop, Greystone hood range light and fan, and microwave right there. Cabinet door wise, they do have the little barrel catch latches kind of holding things closed. Drawer wise, we have full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. And it does have the little nicer latches on it as well. You have smart TV up top here, and shameless plug here, we currently have the All About RVs YouTube channel up right there. Looks like we're currently sitting at about 62,200 and some odd subscribers, guys. If you are interested in keeping up with more videos, please be sure to subscribe. And if you don't mind, if you like what you see, please remember to smash that like button, help out the channel and videos. Much appreciated. All vinyl floor in this section right here. You have 2 completely freestanding reclining Euro chairs right there. Some overhead cabinet space, stereo system here to control the indoor speakers. Ducted AC. But what do you guys think of the new look? It's got a whole different cabinet color, backsplash, countertops, controls down below here for your slide and your awning. Kind of going back the hallway area here, you got another window that opens. Very high ceiling height in here. Fan up there, skylight up there, corner shower. Foot flush toilet. Some pretty deep linen area here. Even have a little shelf thing here above your toilet. Nice little medicine cabinet area there. Decent amount of space at your counter for your bathroom here. And it also has the on-demand water heater controls located right there. Your master bedroom here. So this one was ordered with a second AC, so you can see that up there. You're going to have some overhead cabinets, some backlighting, hanging closet on each side, a drawer on each side too. And then down below there is storage space underneath of the bed, electric outlet on each side of the bed. But you can get to your bedroom from either the hallway or the bathroom, either one. There's TV hookups up here. The generator, this one was ordered, I believe, with a generator, and that is the generator control located right over there. But what do you guys think of the new 2614 Stryker here? They even went with those light bars and stuff across the ceiling for the new light upgrade. Kind of nice. Let's step outside here. Let's check out what we got going on outside. So graphics wise, it didn't really change up a whole lot. They're still kind of going with that white, black, grayish, red theme. They did change up the coloring on the front cap a little bit. It's not anything real major there, but it is a very nice cap. Let's see here. Let's get started. We got a pretty good sized storage compartment area right here. You got your battery disconnect right here, inverter prep, solar prep right here, tire link prep if you want to do their tire pressure monitoring system, an awning in out button out here too, and a light. This customer's going with a Blue Ox weight distribution hitch system, so you could see that sitting in the compartment right there too. Baggage doors here held up by magnetic clips. You can see here they went with the side camera. Very nice. Some little red LED underlighting. It has power front and rear stabilizer jacks along with the power tongue jack. Deep tint safety glass windows. The window in the entry exit door is Lippert thin shade ready. Power awning, LED light strip built in. It does have the manual override in the front arm head. You obviously can see there's a little step light down there. The large heavy duty More Ride entry exit handle right there. There's TV hookups out here. This is a white fiberglass exterior attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of those cheap wood Luan backers. So it's much less likely to have delamination problems. And it also has some outdoor speakers up high right there. Currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires. It has the upgraded suspension system there in the center. Fuel station on this. This one again was ordered with the solar package, so you could kind of see that silver edge up there. That is where they put the solar panel up there. It is prepped right here for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. You could also put a slide out awning cover over top of the slide out if you wanted to. That's very nice. It rolls in and out with the room as it opens and closes. It basically helps shade the top of the room, repels a lot of leaves, twigs, debris, all that good stuff. Detachable power cord right here. Your spare tire is also mounted underneath the bottom. This is where you fill up your fuel station, your dump hose holder down there, and your cable and satellite inlets right there. Stove exhaust right here. Right here, you are going to have a cold water spray port, city water inlet, gravity fill fresh water tank, black tank flush to clean out your toilet system, furnace exhaust out right down there. Now looking down below, there are the low point water drains here, the fresh water tank drain also right back there, and then your gray and black tank dumps located right here. You have the on-demand water heater located here. This one was ordered with the Onan 5500 watt gasoline generator. Again, you can see this customer went with this side camera, so you got one over here too. Now some important informational stuff right here. So first up, this tells me production date of this RV was built 11/26 of 24. It has a gross vehicle weight of 12,800 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. We have our tire size here, ST 235 80R 16E range tires with an 80 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with that tire pressure, guys. Tells me my cargo carrying capacity is 3,955 pounds. On the front of the RV, it is again a very nice fiberglass front shell with a lower metal skirting. So it's roughly about a 3/4 fiberglass cap with some LED lights. 2 30-pound propane tanks with the hard bottle cover, power tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, and a breakaway cable. Room for 1 or 2 batteries to go up here depending on the size of the batteries. And that does have that battery disconnect vault system. A very nice upgrade for a battery disconnect system right there. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Again, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and do yourself a big favor and check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV.